Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Zelle with Chase. So to use Zelle with Chase, open the Chase app, go back to your screen, then go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and just go ahead and search for Chase, right? Sign in to your Chase account, find Zelle, tap on Pay and Transfer and select Zelle, and then follow the prompts to enroll by adding your phone number or email. And then once you send or receive money, use Zelle to send or receive money by entering the recipient's phone number or email. You're all set to use Zelle with Chase. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.